And mine's in room from Hudson.
Don't like tea at all. Really? See, our tapioca, I wish we had our tapioca. Our tapioca is really good. We might. So that's what you're telling me. Double booked.
Anyway, they're making ornaments, typical florals, all sorts of stuff. Viejo.
tin boxes that I found at the store. These are actually from the dollar store. You can pick these up, and other little goodies like these pine cones and these little snowflakes. The dollar store has all kinds of these things going on right now. So I found these, and I went ahead and I put my cookies in plastic bags like this. Tied them with a ribbon. So you can see the little cookies in there and the shapes of the gingerbread man, the star, Christmas tree, and the candy cane. So that's super cute. And that is gonna go into these boxes along with one of our Santa Baby tin candles. Again, this is mint, vanilla, and cool. So it's like a cool, minty, sweet, almost kind of chocolatey smell. People have said there is some chocolate in there. I don't smell it, but if people smell it and they like it, then that's all that matters. So I'm gonna put these into the boxes. As you can see, I put some tissue paper in there already, and I put the cookies in and take one of the candles and get that in there as well. Just add a little snowflake. It's just little extras for fun. Little pine cones in there. And you have yourself a super cute little gift that you can take to a friend, a loved one, a neighbor, a coworker. It's got the lid on. If you did want to just close it, you can do that. So that is so adorable. It's so cute, and it's fun to do. It's a fun crafting idea. So just same thing with the other one. This box here. And I put the cookies in there with a candle, a little bit of this. This one comes with a lid. So those are the gift ideas that you can do with these tins that we have. Again, these are all on the website, 15% off. They are going fast, so you should get yours right away. I've been burning it since December.